In this video, you'll learn how to build a Next.js app using the Windsurf application. By following the steps outlined, you will successfully create and set up your project in no time. Begin by opening the Windsurf application on your computer. Look for the icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and double-click it to launch. Once the application is open, you will see the main interface, which includes various options for creating and managing your projects. Next, locate and click on the agent option within the application. This is typically found on the left side of the screen. After selecting agent, you will be directed to a new view that displays the available sessions and options for your project. Following this, click on the new session button. This action prompts Windsurf to create a new working environment for you. You can recognize this by the change in the display, which will show a fresh session ready for coding. Once the new session is initiated, a cascade code interface will appear. This display is where you will enter your commands to create your Next.js app. Make sure the interface is fully loaded before proceeding to the next step. At this point, type in the command, create a Next.js app in the provided code input area. Ensure that you enter the command exactly as it appears to avoid any errors. This command triggers the setup of your new application. After entering the command, click on the Enter key to execute it. This action signals Windsurf to begin the process of generating your Next.js app. You should see a loading indicator or progress bar as the application is being created. Now, wait for Windsurf to finish generating your app. This process might take a few moments depending on your system's performance. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation notification indicating that your Next.js app has been successfully created and is ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.